Hello student, this video lecture is prepared for the particular technology subject and I will discuss the unit number 4, that is known as the filtration. So in previous lecture I had discussed about the plate and frame filter press construction. So what is the construction of that plate and frame filter press? And today's lecture we will discuss how the working of that plate and frame filter press is taking place, and we will discuss the washing press. So at the end of lecture we had discussed about the construction of plate and frame. So here the photos of that plate and frame. So in previous lecture I have discussed that the plate is having solid surface and the surface is ribbed surface and frame is hollow. So if we look at this is the frame and below that there is a plate. So plate is having solid surface and frame is hollow, through which that through on the cake is formed, and this is the filter cloth shown. So filter cloth is also having holes at the corner, and this is actually plate and frame filter press. So if we assemble these, you have to put this filter cloth here and then plate, and then rearrangement of this plate frame, and you have to all these you have to place all these frame and plates on this metal bar, or we can say rail, and then we can close this filter press by hand screw. So here maybe hand screw is provided, or hydraulically, that means by means of a air pressure we can close this. Okay. So after that the slurry is we have to filter it from the slurry. So the channel is formed like this. So here is a frame, then plate, frame, plate, like this. So channel is formed, and note that this on the surface of the plate there is a filter cloth and the frame is hollow. So when this press is form a continuous channel like this. Okay. So it form a continuous channel. So you have to introduce the slurry through the pump from here, and it runs into this chamber. So this is called a chamber, and it fill chamber completely. That means frame, every frame is filled completely, and as the feed pump continue the slurry supply, then the slurry is get filtered and pressure goes on increasing. Because of this, the filtrate passing through the cloth, so here the cloth is provided, and runs down the faces of the plate. So filtrate is passing through this filter cloth. So this is suppose cloth. So it is passing through this, and then it goes to the discharge cock. So this is the discharge cock. Okay. Then the solids are deposited on this filter cloth, and the cake is formed on both sides. So here cake is formed, and here also the cake is formed. And after that, when all the chamber is full, so there is no slurry can be enter, then this filter press is said to be jammed. Then we have to introduce the wash liquid to remove the impurity. That means you have to introduce the wash liquid from this inlet, so that will be remove the impurities which is deposited on this filter cloth. And after that, this water is also removed from this clocks or valve, and again we have to blow the air. So again, if there is any residual liquid is attached to this frame or in the plate, then it will be removed, and then you have to dismelt this frame press by taking this wire. So this side you have to take, that means dismelting is you have to carry it out, and then we have to scrap the cake. So the cake is deposited on this filter cloth on both sides, so here and here. If we look at here, so here and here the solids are deposited, or we can say the cake is deposited, and then you have to scrap that cake. Okay, so this is the working of the plate and frame filter press. And what are the size of the filter plates? 100 into 100 millimeter to 1500 multiplied by 1750 millimeters. So these are the size range. From this range to this range the plates are used. And the operating pressure, that means pressure is applied to feed the slurry, that is about 700 kilopascal. So pascal is nothing but it is a unit of pressure. Newton per meter square is called a pascal, and kilo means you have to multiply by that pascal 10 to the power 3. So 700 kilopascals are common operating pressure for that feed inlet, or it may be increase up to 7 megapascal. So mega means you have to multiply by 10 to the power 6 by this pascal. So 7 megapascal pressure may be created in that filter press. So I will show one animation of this filter plate and frame filter press. So this is actually that press. So this is actually that plate and frame filter press. These are the end plates, that means at the end of that frame. So this is filter cloth is placed, this is frame, and you have to arrange alternatively, and then you have to pass the liquid from here. So this is plate actually. So when this slurry is passing through this plate, the filtration is taking place on the surface of this plate. And here that cork are provided. That means filtrate is collected here. So from here there is a feed inlet. I will again show. And here the filtrate. So slurry is going from this side and filtrate is going from this side. So in this way the plate and frame press is worked. Then I have already discussed that the washing is taking place to remove the impurities from the solid. So what washing is taking place by two methods. Just we have to, in simple washing, you just have to add the wash water from here. Just you have to add the water, and this will be wash the cake, and it will enter from this place and it will remove from here. But sometimes you have to wash that cake through washing, that is called a through washing. So for that purpose we have to use a washing press. So washing press is nothing but there is separate plate is provided for washing. So that is called a through washing. So when this if you use this washing press and filtration is carried out or washing is carried out, then it is called a washing press. So instead of 2 we are having 3. That means there are 2 plates and 1 is frame. So out of these 2 plates, 1 is a washing plate. In previous there are only 1 plate and frame. So here only 1 plate and frame. But if you are washing through, that means complete washing, if you want to done, then you have to use the washing press. So in washing press, the wash liquor passes through the entire thickness of the cake and discharge through the drain cocks. So for the washing cake, there is another slot is provided or another opening is provided, and for recognition purpose or identification, means which plate is washing or which plate is normal plate, we have to add buttons. So there are, suppose one button is, so when the one button is on that plate, that is, it is called a non-washing plate. When 2 buttons is applied on that frame, that is called a frame, and you have to use 3 buttons, so that is called a washing plate. Okay, so that means non-washing plate is having 1 button, frame is having 2 buttons, and wash plate is having 3 buttons. And again we have to rearrange this washing press as shown in figure. So like that. So here this is actually first, that means non-washing, then this is frame, then this is washing plate, then again 2 button, that is frame, this is again 1 button, that is plate, then 2 button, this is frame, this is washing plate. Okay, so in this manner we have to rearrange this washing press, and there are separate channel is provided. That means when this washing press is assembled, we are having 2 channels. So here this is the channel for feed, and another channel is formed in this side, that is called a washing channel. Okay, so from this wash water is or wash liquid is feed, and from this we have to feed the slurry. So in this way we can use this washing press. Then we will discuss how the working of this washing press is taking place. So that part I will discuss in a next lecture.